Hi, I'm Alan Mitchell with Mitchell Heating and Cooling. I sit at the top of Mitchell Heating and Cooling, but I'm not the organization. We have an entire organization. We've set a very high level of expectations and a high level of quality for our employees. It started with my father, who set a very high bar for us for doing things and doing them right. I've continued that to our employees to always do the right thing. And because of that high level of quality and the high expectation that we set for our employees, we've continued to win awards from various organizations. Most importantly, we win awards multiple years from Trane. We've won the Pacesetter Award, which is a prestigious award that with the Trane Corporation. We've also won Best of the Best 7 years in a row, which is the local best HVAC company in the area. And we've also won multiple awards from Angie's List, what they call their Super Service Award, and we've won those multiple years in a row. We do all of this because of our commitment to our customers. It started with my father's initial tagline of any job worth doing is worth doing right, to our current brand promise of quality products and services on time from a family you trust. We do all of this for our customers. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call at 919-556-5069. Thank you.